Hello you guys, good morning. So right now I'm going to show you the closet. I'm just finished cleaning up a little bit here and organize. So just like that, I put the mirror here. When you enter this door, this part of the closet, again, so once you are inside this closet, you can see this door. I hung all my jewelry organizer. Yan siya, mga necklace, earrings and rings, and I had one built here, and then my first. So dito sa sa taas, nilagay ko yung mga empty boxes, wrapping papers, basket, and clothes. This one is clothes inside of this bag for Philippines, and then this one is inside of this gift bag. It's like birthday or holidays wrapping bag. And then this one, I don't know, that's old stuff that we have. We just put the one there. And then below I have a blanket, extra blanket and folder, and this is here inside of this organizer. It's our winter clothes for my daughter and her backpack for school. And inside of this is the scarf. I'm not gonna open it, guys, because I don't wanna bringing them out again. Then in the bottom, my daughter's shoes there, and then bed sheets here, and more clothes in this on this two organizer. I also put a broom here that we haven't used, so I just put the one here, so that way it would not everywhere in the rooms. And this one, it's more blanket and bed sheets and rugs. This one here, and pillow. This side, it's all my daughter clothes. Yan. And then and below, all this one here, and also this side, we have to put the one in the garage sales, so it's been there like a year already. So if we have time, we will do that soon. So for now, we just leave it here. And then here, this is my daughter all jeans, shirts and pants, and then that one is for underwears or something like that. And then here, more shirts and sandal. And up here, I put a extra towel, some of my clothes and my jeans, t-shirts and sandal, and more jeans here, and shirts and pants. And this one, it's for the fitness outfit. And then my underwear or bras there. And this one here, I hung all the clothes that I can wear all the time. And that it's another a blanket. So up here, it's all a boxes and toys and photo album like that, and more toys up there. So that's all, guys. Yeah, and not much.